talk about some if function in Excel. So I have here two sets of columns. First is the item. Second is the cost column. Now, I need to calculate the total summation of cost per item. In order to do that, let me use equal SUMIF, open parenthesis. For the range, for the syntax, we have range, criteria, and then sum range. Range means the description of your data, which is the list of items. When you highlight B3 to B10, make sure you press F4 to fix the area of items in the SUMIF function, comma. Next, for the criteria, you can type the word laptop inside a double quotation. But the problem there is when you drag the formula going down, you need to change that to phone and to tablet manually. So instead of using this, let me click on the cell that contains laptop, and that is criteria E3, comma. For the sum range is the data from C3 to C10. Press F4 for this data, closed parenthesis. This is SUMIF, press enter, and then autofill. As you can see, it will calculate the total cost per laptop, phone, and tablet. The formula is this for SUMIF. However, we can still simplify the formula with the use of name manager. So how do we do that? First, you can highlight this area, B3 to B10, click on the name box, and you can name this as items. Next, highlight C3 to C10. Let's name this as cost. So we have items and cost. Now, inside the formula, let me remove this for a while. For me to get the total cost of all laptops on the list, that is equal sum if for the range is items, comma, criteria means the cell laptop, E3, and last for the sum range is cost. All right, this is more simpler since most of the time you are using cell references, right? Much better if you name it because it can simplify the data inside the formula. Now, if we are done, press enter, then drag it down, and then you'll find the same output in the formula. And that's it for SUMIF function.